Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's a cloudy day, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I know y'all ready for part 13. I know with the hype of Resident Evil 9 dropping, all that, this, that, and the third, we gotta finish this game, bro. And I'm willing to make it happen because I know y'all are ready for me to play Resident Evil 9. I'm dodging spoilers like crazy because once I get there, then it's up. But y'all know the deal. Let's continue where we left off. If I remember correctly, we already dealt with the dog girl, and now we're about to move on. I don't know who's next. I don't know which door opened for us last time, but... Alright, well, apologies if my game looks a little, different, but I like to prioritize performance over quality because, your boy's PC is looking a bit... Let's check the old inventory, see what we got. We picked up a couple keys, like Luther's key. We're talking about the house on the west side. Is there a compass on this map, bro? Right, and then we gotta figure out where the strange bird is. Look at that. Doesn't that look familiar? Almost like a graveyard. Hold on. I might know where that bird at, y'all. So I guess before we go see what's cracking with the other lords, we can try and do the side quests. Oh yeah, we got a new shotgun, bro. Whoa, I ain't got ammo like that, y'all. Us. Oh, yo, stop hissing at me, bro. Weirdo. Give me your gunpowder. We gotta start saving ammo, bro. I'm starting to realize they don't go on trees. Claude. But there's the bird. Do we shoot it? Juicy game. What? Alright, well, whatever. We found the bird. But what does it mean? Oh yeah, what's over here? If the six wing being... Oh, okay, so that's for later. That's for like later. But they said somebody's house on the west side. I'm assuming it's over here somewhere. We can go exploring for a little bit. We got time. Oh, there's a well here too. Let's check it out. Well, view. Necklace with 2 holes. What? That sounds like treasure. That's what it said. Let me put the key in. Alright guys, objective. Kill every chicken we see. I feel bad, but a man's gotta do what I gotta do. They call me Hunter Ethan. Hunter Winters over here. No way I came over here for 2 chickens and some handgun ammo, bruh. I will be severely disappointed. Locked on the other side. Oh, snap. A go. What are the chances? We've been getting extremely lucky finding these goats. got all the poultry here. I guess that really was all that area was meant for. You can check that house right there, next to the church. I'm assuming I was supposed to hide here at one point. Sweet. Alright. So apparently, there's a lot more stuff than I thought there was. If the room is red, there's definitely something else in there. Until it turns blue. Which I learned from my coworker. And I'm an idiot. I realized I left a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. I want that, but I don't know how to get there. Apparently we didn't finish exploring the church either. And look at that. Yeah, we can't enter. That's that room we couldn't enter. Let's check out the church. See what we missed. Wood creaking sounds like the goat. Why did I do that? Where is it though? Or maybe it's not a goat? I'm wasting a lot of time, let me tell you. Infiltrated village, engagement, Southwest Space Church. Yeah, that's just lore. Nah, there's no way there's anything else in the church. Like, it's telling me it's not completed with the search. But that's cap. Maybe there's something I can do? Or maybe there's like... an underground? There's something about this church. I can't put my finger on it. Whatever. We can't do anything about it. Look at those. Yeah. I don't want them bothering me. But I guess we could go back to the plot. Alright, let's do some exploring, guys. Chill out, birds. Chill out. I'm not your enemy. Could be, though. Okay, we can't jump over that. Yeah, they finna attack me, boy. Whoa. What's up, bro? Got him. Stop moving. There's a lot of them, too. Ooh, they weaving? Oh, now I'm ready to get jumped. Chill out, bro. I ain't trying to get jumped by crows. I just point me to where the loot at. Oh damn, there's a lot of stuff. Gotta be posted up near the corner. Us. Oh, Ethan, chill. Shoot him, bro. Shoot him. Shoot him. Arrow, arrow, arrow. There we go. Let's see what they got. Ooh, a necklace. Oh, we can combine the necklace. Oh, wait. Nah, the other one isn't a treasure. What does this mean? Surely there's something about it that we can... Oh. Sweet. Claudie. I guess we gotta find the other slab. Yeah, what's up with this key, though? Got a music note. There's nothing special about it. I'd be forgetting that we can really, inspect everything. But now that we got... Oh, we can't combine any of this. Gotta head to that. Oh, we can just straight up sell that. We got 2 combinables. Crystal Skull and Angie. Sweet. Alright, let's get out of here. I need to remember I got sniper ammo too. I ain't have to air him out with the gun like that. Ah, dang. It said, oh. Hey, piggy. Oh, snap. Oh, y'all take a little bit to kill, bro. Why are you so tanky? Oh. I feel so bad. Oh, what? No space. No space for that quality meat. We need to get rid of that other pistol we not using. Probably sell it. I feel bad selling guns, though. Which one are we using? Ah, no. We can't close it. Dang it, something has to happen here. Oh, we can just sort it. Oh, we chilling. All right. Nothing like a little organization skills to set us up. Ooh. 3 pipe bombs sound good, though. Oh, yeah, we can get those. We can get those. Oh, my gosh. We need to clear out. What? That's enough space right there. All right. But definitely. Oh, yeah, because the Limmy's the first gun that we had. All right. Let me stop wasting time, bro. Let's get this over with. So where's our next destination? Oh, wait. Yeah, I forgot. We got to see if we can go in the house first. Which I doubt. Yeah, look. It's all burnt up. I guess we should have fully explored it when we had the chance. Maestro's collection. Water wheel weapon. I want to see what's down here. Back to the graveyard. These tall grass. Like, look at these scarecrows, man. Can we just go in through this side? No chance. Glad they only take 1 shot. Got a lot of poultry, actually. And some quality meat. Let's do a little save. Sweet. All right, on to the next. On to the next. All right, where are we headed? Oh, what? Is that grave actually openable? Not this one. But I guess. Oh, okay. That's what I was saying. Well, I had already grabbed the slab. I don't know why I didn't fill that out as red. But we explored everything we needed. If I from right. Yeah, there's a hole in this window. Make sure we go in the right way. Right. Alright, so we haven't been in here before. Oh, sweet, electric. We can open that shit up. We can open what we saw earlier. Ah, sweet, and we got the body. Something's gonna come after us. Let's craft it. Let's go! Exploration is so worth it. And there's a goat. I know there's a goat in that church because it's the same wood creaking we heard. I'm going paranoid. Oh, sweet! We found Luthier's house. So the sphere should be in here. Hope there isn't any baddies in here. They'll be met with a fully loaded shotgun. Alright. Alright. Place looks safe. There's a code. How am I supposed to know the code? We are finding a lot of ingredients, though. Oh, 763934. 763934. Let's try that. 7 6 9 3. Right? Sound like somebody coming in. Oh. 763934. 76. Oh. 39. Wait, it still wouldn't be enough numbers. But it says her birthday? Her 5th birthday. Do I have any notes on that? Red flash, broken slab, bluebird. Family photo. Dang, I don't have any information on Luthier. It's gotta be in this house. Like somewhere. Happy birthday. Oh, 270917. There we go. Jeez, now I gotta flip through this all again. 27 09 13. I was like, they didn't give me anything for that, but I'm glad I looked around the house. That's gotta be it. No? What? That's what it says. 2709. Oh, 17. Whoops. Let's go! What is that? Oh. Wait, we can just combine it with the rifle now. High capacity mag. We didn't need to buy it. No. Ain't no way, boy. What? Now I gotta make space. I can't just attach it right here. Alright, hold on. We can do something. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words. Oh, we should have got that inventory space. Alright, let's come back, actually. Let's just come back. Duke is right there. We can just come back to the house.
Does this look familiar to you?
Supplies.
Food is life.
Alright, let's sell all the stuff that we can. Like Angie. We sell Angie. It's combinable. Oh, it tells you right when you're about to sell them too. Sell the skull. Sell the necklace stone. Sell Miss Madalena. Sweet. Could sell the eagle too. Juicy game. Alright. We can't sell any of the meat. But we'll sell that.
Ah, Miss Angie. Just adorable. Porcelain dolls are very popular, you know.
Alright, we can make something nice. Yeah, we don't have any fish on hand. Oh, if we had one more piece of meat. Boss. I don't know where I'd get it from, though. What does this do? Greatly increases health permanently. What does this do? Oh, this wouldn't be bad either. But I don't want to get rid of 4. I'd rather get the health increase. Alright, we'll wait till we find some meat. Let's check the map.
A good deal, if I say so myself. Oh, yes.
Honestly, forget the map. Let's get some upgrades. We need this. Immediately. Learn how to make explosive rounds. Improve gun stop. Ooh, the shotgun. Improve grip. Oh, flashbangs. Okay. We're gonna learn how to craft everything we need. Because then that way we won't need to buy anything ever.
Wonderful adventure.
Alright, let's go back and grab that mag. Let's go. We got, yo, our rifle is decked out. We should actually, we could max it out in stats. I like the way that sounds.
Ah, yeah.
All right, back to Duke. Now let's check out all the gun upgrades that we can get, because we got 2 new guns since then, which was the handgun and wow, they're giving us more upgrade options on the gun, so it really is just like whatever you want. All right, we'll upgrade the shotgun and the sniper. Bro, if they give me another sniper than this, like, I'm gonna be so mad.
These hands are more dexterous than one might think.
Reload speed. Okay. We're strong.
Please come again.
Now let's check the next place we can go. Alright. So the last place to check is that lockpick. And then we can just continue on with the story. Worth it. Honestly worth it. Dang, but I want to know how we can get back here. Alright, with all our money spent and the town explored, we might as well see what else is there to do. Wait, hold on. Right, because there's a bell there still. Vincio's treasure. Do we have anything for that? I don't think we do. All right, whatever. Let's continue.